Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back with another video. Guys, on today's video, as you guys can see from the title, it's about to review this face mask. I got this face mask in one of my local stores around, and it was just, I think it was $3. It was in the package. I got 5 of them, so I've used one. So I just thought it was to come up and share with you guys how it really works on my skin. Okay, so you guys don't mind Anora, okay? I have that skin that I always just like to go in for something. My skin is not really that trouble skin, so when I see something, I always just like to go for it and do a try. So I've washed my face. So here they say you need to damp your face, like put a little water in your face before you go in with the mask. So just use some water, damp my face. So when my face is damped, I'll just go in and swap it off from here. And they say this face mask is a mixture of cucumber and milk. I hope you can figure it out. So I think it's really good for fair, oil and shining control, deep cleaning. Okay. This is a peel off mask. Okay, so let's go in with it. So this is how it is from inside. Oh my god. So I'll just spread it all on my face. One thing about this mask is so sticky. It's really freaking sticky, okay? So when you applying it on your face, make sure you avoid your eyebrows and all the rest. It's so sticky. See, I just put a little bit on this eyebrow. I just hope you won't take it off. It's like this, but there's no pain, nothing. Nice smell, yeah. The smell is kind of good. They said should keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, so I will just let it sit and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back in 15 minutes. Your girl can barely speak because this thing is dry and it's tight on my face, so I'll just go in and start peeling it off. As you can see, the mask got dry and it got black. I don't know why. You can figure it out, right? Yeah, some parts that are black. Oh my god. It hurt, you know. Yeah, so guys, I'm just struggling to take off this thing. Oh. It really hurts. Oh, my eyebrows, guys. I think I'm gonna dump this part. I'm not gonna. No way, Anora, no way, girl. I'm gonna dump it. And I got some hair here. That's why. God. You can figure out my eyes, they're water, right? Let me go from here. The last time I did black mask, someone told me before you do it, make sure you damp your face. So I damped my face, but still yet I still got me some pains, you know. Yeah, I still got my eyebrows here. I'll go in with this part. My eyebrow is getting out. So please, when you're doing this thing, avoid your eyebrows, okay? I just remove my eyebrows here from the edge. Can you guys figure it out? I just clean it off from here because I put the mask on it. So okay, finally it's out. I just need to go in and wash the face. So yeah, I just washed my face. That is it about the review. Check out my face. I feel so fresh and smooth and nice. Oh my god. So I'll just go in now with this my face oil. So at times I use rose gold, at times I use coconut oil. So that's it. So for today I decided to go for rose gold because my face is really dry. So guys, I will say this face mask is good, but it's still the first day I did it, I didn't peel it off. I just put it and I washed it off. So today I said let me try to peel it off. It really hurts. I love the face mask. Just $3 face mask, and it's nice. And I got 5 of it inside, so it's really good. Okay, I will recommend it. And please do not forget to hit thumbs up button if you like the video. And if you're new here, you're just stopping by because of the thumbnails or because you you saw the title and you're interested in the face mask, please do not forget to subscribe before leaving. Okay, I love you also very much. So guys, I think that will be all about the review. That is it. So as you can see, my face is looking so fresh and nice. I love it. Thank you so very much for watching. I definitely will see you in my next video. Until then, bye and peace out. Always remember to drink you some water and you mind your own business.